Here we are, day 3 of KBIS 2025. Excited to see what we're going to be doing today. I have some appointments set up with some vendors to shoot some great videos, so that's going to be exciting. And we're going to go and discover some more great products. So let's see what today comes.
See what we find.
Yeah. Well, that's a wrap on the last final day of KBIS here 2025, day 3, and we're about to head home back to Houston.
Yes.
We saw a lot of great stuff today too as well. I did speak with Joe DeCasperis. He is a very talented interior designer from Southern California about the kitchens that he designed for SKS's booth were amazing.
Beautiful.
And he did that last year too, and yeah. Clearly they like his work because they brought him back again. So we have a episode of what makes this design great to look closer into that. Bertazzone, we looked at some of their new products that they have, which amazing trims.
Yes.
On their cooktops. And I know that was something for you as an interior designer that you loved. That was like the attention to detail on that was amazing.
Right. You don't see that everywhere. So that was really nice, very unique, beautiful.
And then, of course, our friends at Schluter, we stopped by there again to see some of their new products that they have. So I'm going to have a video coming out with them, too, to see that in more detail.
Mm-hmm.
And, yeah, today was a good day. I think the whole show was a good day.
Yeah.
What did you think? It was good?
I think it was a great trip. I enjoyed the whole thing. And lots of new vendors, lots of new things to see, lots of vendors that I didn't know much about. Now we know more. So
discovered some really nice hardware at Top Knobs.
Yes, the Top Knob hardware was fabulous. I really like the new one they have coming out that's very similar to one that you've seen in the past, but they've rounded it. They've got it, made it more substantial. So yeah, jewelry for your cabinets.
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah.
I love that term. And then once we go home, Sherry and I will do a recap of the whole trip once again and show lots more details of things we saw here. So stay tuned for that video. I'm excited about that, to get into more details about that. And that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Ready to go home. So thanks for watching and see you next time.